This is Debbie with the Food Prepping channel, and today is just going to be a video of things that I'm going to cook today. It's Monday, October the 21st, I think. Yeah. So I'm going to cook some things. The first thing I wanted to show y'all was, here is the basket. This is my basket, but I'm giving away 2 of them like this in a giveaway, and I'll link that video below because there's certain things that you've got to do in order to be eligible to win one of those 2 baskets. But this is the steamer basket. It is just so well made. And I want you to see this. I've got 16 eggs in here. And I know you can't see, but it would fit quite a few more in here. At least, I think 24 eggs probably would go in here, if not more. But I'm going to put these in my Instant Pot. That's what I'm going to use this basket for, is my Instant Pot and cooking things in my Instant Pot. I'm just so excited about that. This is made by, I don't know how to say the name, but it's got it right here. It's Perfecome, Perfecome. I don't know. I don't know how it's pronounced. But anyway, I'm going to cook these in my Instant Pot. So I'm going to put this basket in there. I've got a trivet in here that I'm sitting this on, and I've got about 1.5 cups of water in here. And so I'm going to make sure that my lid is set to sealing, not venting. I'm going to put it on, lock it. And for eggs, you want to do about 5 minutes, which is what it's on. That's cool. Okay, so I'm going to let these come up and cook for 5 minutes under pressure. Then I'm going to get them out, put them in some ice water, and show you how well they come out from the pressure, from the Instant Pot pressure cooker, and I will bring you back. Okay, y'all, I'm back. All right, so here's the eggs. This is so cool. Look at this. I just took the eggs out with the handle, and I put them in this bowl of ice water, which I'm going to have to dump them out anyway. But, well, no, not really, because there's water in there. All right, so anyway, this is really cool. I love this. But I'm going to go on and crack these eggs, and these are just going to be for salads this week or whatever, you know, I want to use them for. And I've already cut up lettuce for the salads and cucumbers for the salads, and now I'm cutting up tomatoes and getting the eggs. So this is just one thing that I'm fixing this week, but I'll bring you back after a while.